Today I'm reviewing this portable jump starter, which the company sent to me so I could give you an honest hands-on look. Whether you're prepping for winter, road trips, or just want peace of mind, this compact powerhouse might be exactly what you need. So let's get started by showing you everything that comes in the box. Inside the box, you will find that everything is contained inside this great storage case. The case itself has a soft, expandable bottom and sides. Its front and back are more rigid to help protect the unit. The case is closed with a large strip of Velcro. It also has a convenient carrying handle and a webbed or netted, depending on what you want to call it, area on the back with an elastic strap to carry additional items. When we open the case, you will notice it is divided into two sides. On this side, we will find the portable jump starter itself and the user manual, which I think is really well written, and inside we have some warranty information. On the other side of the storage case, we have the intelligent jumper cables which attach to the jump starter, and this USB to USB-C charging cable. The charging cable, which I must add is quite a bit longer than what you might get with lots of other of these types of devices, actually has a few different uses. First, you can plug it into a charging brick like you would use to charge your smartphone, and then plug the USB-C end in right here to charge the jump starter. The second use for this cable would be to plug the USB end into one of these two spots on the side of the unit, and then use the cable to charge your smartphone or other portable electronic devices. This port right here is for fast charging, and this port is for regular charging. Taking a closer look at this unit, when I push the power button, the LED display will illuminate, telling us the power level on the battery. Then, if I push the power button again and hold it down, the flashlight will turn on. It might not seem that bright now, but I will demonstrate it later, and you can see that it does a pretty good job. If I keep pushing the power button, you will see that it also has a strobe feature, and if I push it again, an SOS feature, which makes it even more useful. Lastly, when you look at the front or the top of the unit, whichever you would prefer to call this side, you will see a built-in compass, which is a nice addition. I haven't seen one of these with a compass before. So now let's go to the garage and demonstrate how to use this to jumpstart a car. So to use this to jumpstart your vehicle, the first thing you need to do is pull this back right here. And then we need to plug this in here. Now you might be wondering, am I going to do this wrong? Can I break it somehow? Actually, you can't, because these tips are shaped in a way where you can only plug them in one way. So I'll plug them in, and then after it's plugged in, you can see this light comes on, or the screen illuminates telling us we're at 100%. And now all we need to do is hook the black cable up to the negative post, and now the red to the positive. But when I hook the red to the positive, pay attention right here. Okay. And you will see that this light illuminates green, telling us that we've connected it successfully and we're now ready to jumpstart our vehicle. As you can see, this illuminates things very well. So whether you need to see something under the hood at night or whether you need to change a flat tire, this should be more than enough to help you out. This jump starter packs 2,000 amps of peak current, which means that it can handle jump starting up to 8-liter gas and 6.5-liter diesel engines. And this isn't limited to just your car, pickup truck, or SUV. You can also use it to help start your motorcycle, lawn tractor, and more like I do. And don't let its small size fool you. This will jumpstart a vehicle a ton of times before the battery is dead. Exactly how many jump starts will vary depending on what it is that you are jump starting, but rest assured that it will be more than enough to meet your needs. And as far as the battery in this unit is concerned, you'll be happy to know that it holds a charge for a long time. I have left it for a couple of weeks at 100%, and when I turned it on again, the charge was still at 100. So you can count on this being there for you when you need it. Plus, it has an intelligent safety system with 8 protections: short circuit, reverse polarity, overcharge, and more to protect you, your vehicle, and the jump starter itself. In the end, this portable jump starter is compact, powerful, and multifunctional. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift, it's a smart investment for safety and convenience. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.